So, we've already gone through how to register using the referral link and how to see what's available in your personal account in your back office. After that, I showed you how to search for and book your cruise, your hotel, and your tour. I hope that part is clear. Now, I'd also like to walk you through the membership packages, what options are available, and the partner option as well. So, in order to buy cruises at a discount and pay for them in installments, you need to become a member of our club and make your first payment toward your future cruise. To do that, on the main page where your first and last name are shown, click the Learn More button and then click Upgrade Status. If, like me, you want to travel on cruises through the company and also earn money, leave the Partnership option selected. If it's enough for you to simply go on cruises with a 25% discount, then click on Partnership to deactivate it, and then choose your package, either $250 or $100 per month. The initial payment is $500 for the premium package and $200 for the classic package. For $500, you immediately receive 800 points in your balance. For $200, you receive 350 points. Scroll down and click Checkout. On that page, you'll see information about your package, and below that, you can choose your payment method from regular bank cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay to cryptocurrency. After entering all your details, click Process Payment. And that's it. Congratulations, you're now a club member. All that's left is to choose a cruise and set off on an unforgettable trip. I also want to explain why we don't usually recommend the $50 starter package. The reason is that your travel points, your cruise dollars, are not multiplied there, while on the premium and classic packages, they are multiplied. That means with the premium package, when you pay $250, you receive 500 cruise points. And with the classic package, when you pay $100, you receive 200 cruise points. You can then already use those cruise points when booking your cruise. I hope that makes it a bit clearer now. There is also insider pricing, where you can pay for your cruise right away with a 17% discount in cash. But as a club member, it definitely makes sense to collect these cruise points because you can use them later when booking your cruise. So basically, you pay monthly, and in that way, you are paying toward your own vacation, your own cruise. You simply collect points for a few months, then you book, and then you go on vacation. That means your vacation ends up being at least 25% cheaper. But if, for example, you also become a partner and generate a certain amount of turnover, or if you become a partner and reach the rank of marketing director, meaning the first rank, then your cruise can be 100% free, and you will be able to pay 100% of it with cruise points. If you have a turnover of $500, then the company will simply credit you with 200 cruise points every month. That means you won't need to pay your $100 monthly contribution yourself. I hope that is clear. For now, I'm simply suggesting that you complete the free registration and have a look around. After that, you'll be able to make your decision. I suggest we schedule a call and I will answer all your questions and show you everything. You really have nothing to lose here, whether you join as a partner or as a traveler. I wish you good luck and let me know what you think about this opportunity.